Hey, also, FYI, so I was talking to my bishop last night at home evening. I just mentioned in passing that I might be getting this job, and he is the CFO at, what is it? One of the technology companies here in the Valley, one of the big ones. Holy cow, they're just like right out here too.
There's a Convergence that does a bunch of stuff.
No, not like, they do like hardware, and they're international too. They're looking for e-commerce software right now. So.
Great. Shannon, why don't you do a little demo on e-commerce?
Campbell Scientific?
It's not Campbell, but it's related to what Campbell does, like the same type of stuff. I'm trying to remember.
Good stuff. Does it have it on this? Do we even have things in there? Should I
Well,
go back
why
to
don't you
Adilas.biz?
just, your choice, like we can switch around to whatever you want. Just for fun, why don't you actually build a cart, and I think this one has some candy. Just for fun, why don't you sell me some candy? I think it has some hot tamales in it.
Okay, sounds good. So I like using the quick search because it's so fast and I don't have to go home. Or you know what? Well, new cart invoice would probably link that to you. Nope, maybe not. Let's see. We'll see. Nope, there we go. Okay. We're going to do this as just a counter sell. Or should I link it to a customer?
Doesn't make a difference.
I'm going to do a counter sale, especially for selling you candy. We don't care about tracking our customers for selling candy. So the shopping cart is the interface between the customers and any items you have, whether that's services, whether it's actual hard goods. Basically, anything you have in your system that you want to get out to a customer interfaces through the shopping cart.
Mm-hmm.
So that we're in the shopping cart right now. You can even tell we're in a view cart page.
So this is what not one of your clients will see, but one of their clients.
This
will
is
see.
internal facing if you're doing it from this mode, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
E-commerce-
This is adding things into the cart that people can check out with.
Okay, so technically I can do point of sale system right here internally inside of Adilas. I have permissions, I'm logged in, I have full access to all sorts of customer information, any sort of items that I have. This is internal. If you want to call external, like which is what you said, like e-commerce, what you do is you basically say, okay, let's show you this little satellite or moon of the world, which is the customer-facing piece that they interact with. So if they have limited functionality, they can't change anything, they can just say, yes, I want some of this, and yes, I want some of this. Let's go check out. Okay, that's e-commerce, okay? So there's a slight difference between e-commerce and point of sale. Point of sale is we empower the users who are like behind the counter and helping and servicing. They have tons of options. How did you pay for that? Not all the way, yes, no. E-commerce, we want full payment. We want this and this. We want to collect shipping address. We want to collect, there's a slight difference. They use similar pieces. They end up on a thing called an invoice. But they are, one is customer facing, one is internal. She's currently in the internal section of that. And we can kind of do a similar thing if you'd like to see it later on through commerce, but I just wanted her to show you, she's just kind of showing you a few of the little pieces, if you will, of what's going on. Why don't you sell me some candy?
I might actually, can I just search right here?
Yes,
I'm going to search. I don't even know what's in here.
Because...
Let's add the item.
Well, we have a, normally you could totally do all, but as soon as you start specifying, hey, I'm going to be searching multiple things, we've added some additional settings here.
Right.
Just go ahead and put hot.
Oh, okay. Got some hot tamales. Oh, got some hot tamales. Okay, how many hot tamales would you like?
2 packs.
Great. I'll add that to the cart. And,
I think there's some evidence in there.
Snickers?
Some Snickers.
Ah, we got some Snickers. Do you like some Snickers?
We'll take 5 of those.
5. Nice. Okay. Anything else?
That's it for now.
All right. So those items have been entered before, but you would have that if you were in a retail situation like this. So you've got your hot tamales and your Snickers. That's $6.47. You ready to check out?
Sure.
Great. We're going to check him out. And how are you paying for this?
I've got a $10 bill.
Perfect.
As soon as it moves out of that, it'll automatically calculate your change to.
We're going to create that invoice. for this one, oh, it looks like they did some settings where they made this quicker, so it went right through. But we've got his change.
So check this out. Why don't you click on the view for a second? Right now, this is set to an 8.5 by 11 printout. There's settings that you can set it. Like if you were just doing quick retail sales, you can set it to a smaller 3-inch one.
Like a little
just
receipt.
click the view link right there for a minute,
Oh, there it is. Okay, wasn't sure where that was at.
and then go
Yeah.
to more options and
So
do
we
the
would
mini.
want this. This is what we would probably want it to look like if we were selling candy, and we could print it out on our receipt printer right here.
If you want to go ahead, it's
Sure.
fine print,
Okay.
and it's
And
the
it's
star.
the star printer.
It's probably at the end just for alphabetics.
There we go. Okay, so we would be printing it, and we would have it hooked up for more speed, but then we've got our little receipt right here. So this is his invoice on what we just went through in Adilas. And we sold him hot tamales and we sold him Snickers. But I think the great thing about Adilas, so I mean a lot of point of sale systems, right? You scan it in with a barcode, which you can do here, or various things like that, and you get a receipt. But in Adilas, all of your inventory is automatically tracked. So it automatically tracked that we took out 2 hot tamales and 5 Snickers.
Mm-hmm.
So we can go back. Let's just go home.
Just type in Snicker. And then go over to usage.
Come over here.
Scroll down a little bit.
And this shows us we just had a counter sell and we just sold 5. Just today, 9/24. Before that, the last Snickers we had sold was in May. To Brandon.
It's just a fun
It's
demo.
just a demo site. But basically, that tracks our usage already right there. So everything's linked. So it's connected. There's no gap between we bring it in on the PO side, what we purchased from someone, where we got our Snickers, how much we have in storage, and then it's tracked out on the invoice side as well, which is really the power of Adilas, is that you can track everything that's happening, and then it's all accounted for in the system.